Hello friends, welcome to Tech. Today let's see how to create restoring point in Windows 10. First of all, right click on this PC. Here you can see properties. Click on that one. Now select advanced system settings. Now click on system protection. Select local disk C system. Now click on configure. Turn on system protection. Here you can see disk space usage. Here you can select 20%, 40%, 60%. I am giving here 20%. First click on apply. Now click on OK. So friends, you turn on restore point. Now let me show you how to create restore point manually. Click on create. Now give here a restore point. I am typing here exp. You can give a restore point name as your wish. I am typing here exp. Now click on create. You can see here creating a restore point. So friends, when you turn on system protection, the system start to create restoring point automatically when you are installing any software. Now here you can see the restore point was created successfully. Click on close. Now select system restore. Now click on next. Here you can see our created restore point. Here type is manual. When system created the restore, you can see here system. Now click on cancel. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, like it, share it and subscribe my channel.